Liam.
Hi.
So how are you today?
Good, and I'm doing my work.
You're doing your work. There's all your books.
And I have crayons and color pencils.
Yeah.
My dad gave me.
Okay.
And what is this one?
There is a chameleon.
Mm-hmm. This is my wood pencil.
Yes, that is.
Crayons.
And the crayons in that bag.
Hey, look, what's this?
And there's Marika. She's got all her stuff ready, all her books. She's going to work on the laptop.
And I'm going to make a bookmark.
What are you making?
A bookmark out of paper.
A bookmark out of paper. Who gave you this idea?
Me.
You got the idea yourself?
Yeah.
So why do you need a bookmark?
So, I go to school.
Do you know which page you mean that you are on?
Because he sees me using the bookmark that way.
Yes, he
So I have
does.
one,
Yes.
then he wants me one on paper.
Okay, well
It's
that's
actually paper.
no, that's like a thin cardboard, or otherwise they call it just a thicker paper. Okay. So what are you gonna draw on the bookmark? Are you gonna keep it white or are you gonna color it?
Colors.
You're gonna color it. And what colors are you gonna use for it?
I don't know which thing. Correct, I did drawing pencils.
Okay. So what are you gonna use? Are you gonna use the drawing pencils or the crayons?
Correct, both.
Both.
I need all the two people that I need.
Okay. So those are
I
extras.
don't know
Okay. There's the bookmark.
You can make actually
I'm gonna make this one a square.
4. You can make actually 5. So Liam's making one and you can.
Yeah, you can make another you can actually make like another 1, 2, you can probably make like another 4 out of this sleeve or out of this part of paper. Just cut it down like that, you make about 4. And same with this one, you can also make, these one will be shorter ones. So you can also make about 4 in this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know where it's paper.
I
you
got.
use square
I
for
need a
single book.
square.
Yes.
Look, a square.
You made a square?
That is how paper works.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, paper.
Okay, so show us what you're going to draw on there.
First, I'm gonna put it like this. Then,
Okay.
we think that-
Which one do you want to use? Do you want to use the crayons or you want to use pencils first?
These. Look,
Cool.
crayon.
Yes, those are some cool crayons. They can erase, isn't it?
Because he puts in it.
I'm making a little
Making a little tank.
Uh-huh.
Is that your favorite thing?
Yeah, I love things.
You love tanks.
These iguana, he has gray, red, and orange.
And orange.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what is that you've just now drawn?
Trucks and
So those are tracks and wheels.
I think it's for the lid door. Just use that.
And there's your pencils.
You can also take out the lid.
You can, but I don't think that you are supposed to.
Hey, let's see. Come on, get back on. Oh, God.
That's fine, we'll just keep it
Yeah,
back later.
see, I told you. Because
I know. It's not actually supposed to be removed. Yes, there's little hooks where it clips in. You're not actually supposed to remove it, but it's
and
fine.
these are the handles.
Yes. Ooh, see there, they just clip in there. Okay. Let's quickly finish drawing your tank.
This is awkward. Let me take up. That's the body. First, you have to close it so it can't knock the tracks.
Okay.
A little thing. That's the little engine.
Okay. And what else does it need?
You don't know. That's his neck. That's the head.
Okay. What is that?
A tank.
What did you draw there on top?
That's the first. Do you know that was a thing that I want to make? I saw it in TV. But
Yeah.
it was born for the nightmares. TV for one nightmare.
Is it?
There was somebody who was making his video
Yeah.
about all of the things, and then
is it?
Yeah, I was watching how TV.
Okay.
And then I found this one. You see?
What are you drawing there now?
That, see, that's a little tanker. And that's a little one. That's a teeny one.
Okay.
This one is a sort of teeny one. And what's this? Look at this thing. What was it? He has a launcher.
Here's a launcher.
Uh-huh.
That's cool.
And the rockets. I'm making boards.
Okay, I can't see now.
There. A little rocket!
Let me see.
See the little rocket over there?
That's so cute.
That's the key. These are the keys. These are the new ones.
Okay, what else does it need?
You don't know what this one is.
No, I don't. You've got to tell me.
A crunch mouth!
A crunch mouth. What does a crunch mouth mean?
A crunch mouth is on tanks.
Okay, so does that mean that they can go crunch, crunch and eat everything?
No,
Then
they smile.
they smile.
Well,
Oh, so it's
why?
their teeth that you are talking about.
Yeah, they have teeth
Yeah.
on the crunch mouth.
Okay.
And it blows out. Wait,
Okay.
let's show you this.
So what else is needed for your tank?
I don't know. Coloring!
So we're coloring the tank in nicely
I'm making
with
it
the color
dark
dark green.
green. I'm making it light green. So it can't match the color.
Okay.
It's not matching. It's not matching. It's not matching.
Yes, because you're coloring lightly. You're not pressing too hard to color. That's why.
I should do it hard when I need line.
Okay, so you need lines, so you will press it a bit harder. Otherwise, when you color, you will do it softly.
See? See the little one? And I'm making this little rocket.
Okay.
Green. Look at this one.
So what else is needed for your tank? For your bookmark with a tank on it?
I need to make a sky.
You make sky. What color is that?
Blue.
Blue.
This dark blue. See, I'm bringing the sky everywhere. Sky's just there.
Yes, it is.
I'm just making it like
Move this one away.
this is how my bookmark looks like. This is how I want to make my bookmark. See, this is the other color. If you press it dark, then it is like the same
Yes.
color. But this time, I'll make time.
What's that?
A tank. It's the blue.
So you've got a green tank and you've got a blue tank.
That's the blue one.
What color is his tracks going to be?
Blue too.
So he's a little bluey.
Like Blue's a monkey.
Yeah, like one of the monkey soft toys that you guys have got.
And I colored him softly, really softly. Then I colored his neck.
Mm-hmm.
See, the two tails on their necks.
Okay, cool.
And then he's blue, fully blue, because he's looking up.
He's looking up.
He's
Okay.
He's matching the sky.
He is matching the sky, so he can camouflage, meaning that he can hide in front of the sky and nobody can see him.
Yeah.
Yeah, isn't that clever? Where does the green one have to go and hide so that no one can see him?
The bushes.
In the bushes, so that he can blend in with the bushes because he's color green.
But it's just can't.
The tracks might blend in with the sand because the sand is like a orangey browny color, depends. so they
Yeah.
can't see him.
Yeah, he could be the sky one. This one's sky and this one's bushy sand.
Bushy sand.
And this one's sky.
Okay, cool. Well, what else do you need to put on your bookmark?
We first do all, see, the sky. See, that's how the sky is. Now I need to cover the block open. There's also one there. And do you know he's also got new? It's
Okay.
beneath the is by the trap.
Yeah.
Well, see, he's on the, see? That was a little bit up because there was a long bump.
Yes, it is.
That was just, that was, okay.
Okay, what else you need to make there?
You don't know what's going to be at the back.
Okay, so
The picture!
is it on the back as well?
That just is, see,
You can see through because the paper's,
that was camouflaging!
yeah.
It's camouflaging!
Cool, isn't it?
Can't see him now.
Okay, cool.
His body, because everything can camouflage. He can camouflage sand, bush.
Is it? Okay. Are you still going to write your name on there?
That's all.
Okay, quickly write your name. Can you
See?
spell it?
R-I-A-N. That's my 4 names.
It's 4 letters for your name.
Yeah, I use 4 letters.
Yes.
And
And what's that?
a smiley
The
face.
smiley face.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, we are going to go and start with our work for today.
First, I can see how the thing was on this one.
Okay. We'll do that one for another day, okay?
Let's see.
So, we'll see you all again for a next session of Liam being all creative. Okay, Liam. We'll see you soon again, okay?
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Canola.
Oh,
Subscribe.
yes.
Click the bell.
Yes.
Notification.
Yes.
Give a thumbs up.
Yes.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Liam. We'll see you soon.
Bye.